In this video, we will see one of the most important aspect of VART functioning, that is the stock verification, whether it is depot stock verification or whether it is account stock verification. And be very careful, because if you enter any wrong data in this system, it will generate stock sheet. So see the whole process very carefully. Go to depot module and then click on stock verification to open the form. In this form, you will first get two buttons. The first one is enter verification schedule, which is used to create a new verification schedule, and after the verification has been done, you have to enter the report through the second button, that is enter verification report. So first, to create a schedule, we have to click here, that is enter verification schedule. The form has been opened. By default, the date of verification is system date. It may be future date also. You can change it. So click on start to activate the whole process. You will get an alert. Do you want to create a new stock verification sheet? Click on OK. And here you see, as because we have transacted today, the system is giving a warning to see it very carefully that another voucher has already been posted. Are you sure? Because you all know on the date of verification, there should not be any transaction for that particular PL. So we click on OK, because we are not creating any verification schedule for that particular PL number. So let us take the PL number as 42010172. Click on enter and then save. This is the 3-pin socket. Click on save. Do you want to create a new stock verification sheet? Click on OK. It has come there and the SBID has also been generated. Now if we try to enter that PL number for which the transaction has been done today, let us see what system tells us. For this PL number, we have already made some transaction today. You see, system has blocked it, so it cannot be allowed here. So click on save and you will get the alert once again. So I have created a stock verification for the PL number 42010172. Now click on clear. You have successfully created your stock verification schedule. Now let us see how to enter the verification report. Let us go to stock verification once again. My verification has been done, the physical verification. So I should click here, enter verification report to activate the form. My SBID has been shown here. I'll click here. My PL number is shown here. I'll have to enter the field book reference, whatever it may be. And this is the most crucial part, the ground balance. You have to enter it very carefully, which has been verified, because if there is any difference between the ground balance and your real stock master, that will result in a stock sheet. So whatever ground balance has been verified, please enter it. Supposing it is 1 and click on save. Your voucher has been generated. So it has been saved, ground balance, and now you have to post the voucher. The voucher number will be generated. It is 0001 SV voucher posted with voucher number 0001 dated 18 June 16. And this ground balance, it will overwrite directly the stock master, the real stock in your stock master. So please handle this form very carefully. This is the verification form. Thank you for watching it. Thank you very much.